based on the Battle of Rizangla. So one fact that I think all of us know or should know is that if this battle didn't take place and our 120 soldiers didn't fight the Chinese soldiers at that time, the whole of Ladakh would have been captured by the Chinese. जब मैं आया था मुंबई, I was working in corporate. So I was working for a year as an HR manager. MBA करके आया था. So that was my plan A back then. कि मैं job तो करूँगा, review oriented है. It's all about how you are reviewed by the audiences and how your film or your show is being received by the audience.
Yeah.
As simple as that. Whatever has happened in the past few days, let's all take it as a lesson to stay united, no matter what, to give in all the positive energy to our people, our armed forces.
Ankit, welcome to Bollywood Live. How are you and how is life treating you?
Thank you for having me here. Things are good. I hope you're doing well too.
Yeah.
Of course, the heat is catching up, so fighting that. I was under the weather for the last 2 days, but right now doing well.
Okay. So I want to know that what drew you to Kul, because people are going crazy. What an amazing storyline, and of course, I mean, what a fascinating performance. So, and in one of your interviews, you said that you were manifesting the role of a cop. So, how was it like?
Yeah. Thank you so much. I know people are going crazy over the show.
Yeah.
I've been hearing great things, and friends have been calling me. People from my hometown have been calling me. Here also in Mumbai, people are loving the show. They're getting really entertained with the show, and I think the show has got its due. Everybody worked very hard. It was a pretty entertaining script, very engaging, and it has turned out the way it was written. So very happy for that. Yeah, I was manifesting the role of a cop for a very long time. My
Yeah.
very first show, Rishton Ka Chakravyuh, this was around 8 years back, when I played a cop the last time. And because it was my first show, I wasn't very content with the way how I played it and how things could have been. So when you watch your previous work, you always think, I wish I did something else over here. I wish it was
Yeah,
better.
you do.
I wish there was something else to it. So that void was always there. Constantly it was there. Since my first show, I just want to play a cop one more time. And I want to do everything that I wanted to do, but I didn't have the skill set or the tools to perform that way. So, with whatever experience of these 8 years of acting, uh, I was just psychologically inclined towards it. That, okay, if I get to play a cop this time, I am going to do my best. Not that I didn't do my best then, but that was my best that I could do. So yes,
Yeah.
I am also very happy with the way my character has shaped up, the way it has turned out, and the way it's been portrayed in the story. Everybody in the show has done really well. So
Yeah.
that also helps getting to work with such great actors, such phenomenal actors, and it also ignites that fire and it pushes you further to do better.
Right. So in case अगर फीमेल कॉप भी आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपके ऑपोजिट हो तो which TV star or any Bollywood celebrity you would pick to play up opposite you, Lady Singham type?
Okay. Uh, I think everybody is very good in the way they work
But you
and
have
the
to
way
pick
they act.
one
Pick one
female
of this is a
actress.
very dicey question. Alia
You
Bhatt.
have to pick.
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt. Oh wow, super.
Yeah.
So, talking about your upcoming projects, there's a lot on the plate. 120 बहादुर की बात हो रही है and audiences are really expecting because आज के टाइम पे patriotism की भावना लोगों में जाग गई है. आज के टाइम की बात करें इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान एंड ऑपरेशन सिंदूर भी चल रहा है. तो इसी बीच अगर अब देशभक्ति से जुड़ा कोई प्रोजेक्ट लेके आते तो people would connect even better. So, what are your all? I mean, what can we expect from you from this current project of yours?
Okay, so 120 Bahadur is coming out in November. We shot this film last year, somewhere around July, August, September. So this one story is very special in the history of our country, Indo-China War, and the Battle of Rizangla. It's based on the Battle of Rizangla. So one fact that I think all of us know or should know is that if this battle didn't take place and our 120 soldiers didn't fight the Chinese soldiers at that time, whole of
Hmm.
Ladakh would have been captured by the Chinese. So this particular
Yeah.
aspect is very, very important. So the story was waiting to be told to everyone, and I'm glad Excel is making this film, and the great Farhan Akhtar is heading as Major Shaitan Singh. So we all are very excited as a part of this film and a part of this country that okay, this film is coming out, and we really hope it reaches its audience and people watch this heart-wrenching story of our brave soldiers.
That's great, and we are really looking forward to that. So, people loved your work on TV as well, and we just love the versatility you have. अब TV से आपने OTT में भी shift कर लिया है. So what have been the changes? क्या acting के उसमें भी मतलब do you have to like act in a different way? Whenever like TV and OTT space is concerned, or like it's the same practice for you?
Uh, I've been saying this off lately. When I analyze, okay, what was it that I was doing while doing television that has kept me going and moving towards this direction of getting work in OTT and films. I think I've taken my scenes and my work in TV very seriously, and
Hmm.
I haven't taken that for granted, which mostly happens because once you're working 365 days and you know, okay, I'll get 5 scenes today, I know what's going to happen, and I know what I
Yeah.
have to. I know my job. So it was never that way. I took it one day at a time, one scene at a time, and it's almost been like a school for me, a filmmaking school for me. I've learned so much from television. With
Hmm.
every show, with every director, you get to learn so much. It's endless. So work ethics and work timings and show delivery patterns, writing content, that's a different aspect. But as an artist, if you want to learn, there is a lot on the platter. You can take as much as you want. So I think luckily, subconsciously, I was on that path, and that has helped me, to keep my thoughts and my dreams intact and keep working towards it. So I never took television कि यहाँ पे कम एक्टिंग करनी है ओटीटी में अच्छी एक्टिंग करनी है या फिर फिल्मों में और
Hmm.
अच्छी एक्टिंग करनी है सो इट्स ऑलवेज बीइंग ऑनेस्ट टू योर क्राफ्ट एंड ट्राई एंड
Yeah.
डिलीवर व्हाट द मेकर्स वांट तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि फिल्मों की परफॉर्मेंसेज ओवर द टॉप नहीं होती या फिर सिर्फ टीवी में ही ओवर
Hmm.
द टॉप परफॉर्मेंस होती हैं डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्क्रिप्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म दैट और द शो दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेक on the kind of audience that you want to cater to. So Kul also looks like a very entertaining show. It's not a very
Yeah.
dark or gritty show. कि सब कुछ serious नहीं है. It's
Mix
very
of it.
entertaining.
Yeah.
There is masala in it. तो यहाँ की भी
Hmm.
performances मसालेदार हैं. ठीक है.
जी.
तो हर एक शो ये भी लेकिन ये वेब शो है. So हर एक
हाँ.
शो हर एक स्क्रिप्ट की एक डिमांड होती है. So I think one has to accept that and keep molding yourself according to the scripts and the kind of films or shows that you get. So I think that's the trick.
Yeah. So it's a fan question. Your fans want to know that should actors have a plan B or C or D in their lives, or like they should stick to acting only? बताओ बताओ. Honest answer चाहिए हमें
हाँ मैं
बस.
वही सोच रहा हूँ जब मैं आया था मुंबई आई वॉज वर्किंग इन कॉर्पोरेट सो आई वॉज वर्किंग फॉर एज एन एचआर मैनेजर एमबीए करके आया था
Hmm.
सो दैट वाज माय प्लान ए बैक देन कि मैं जॉब
Yeah.
तो करूंगा प्लान बी वुड बी एक्टिंग बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव टू डू बट आई डोंट नो हाउ इट विल हैपन कहाँ जाना है किससे मिलना है क्या काम करना है नहीं
Exactly. कितने ऑडिशन देने हैं?
पता हाँ तो उस वक्त का प्लान ए वो था कि 1 साल में ये करूंगा 2 साल में वो करूंगा 3 साल में ये बट लाइफ डजंट हैपन दैट वे लाइफ टेक्स
जी.
इट्स ओन कोर्स so it all depends on how you are placed in your life. Uh, One has to be very passionate about your goals and your dreams. You should never leave them. अपना रास्ता हमेशा पकड़ के रखना चाहिए कि यार चाहे मुझे पूरी लाइफ लग जाए पर ये मैं करूंगा. But having said that, you also have to take care of your family, of yourself, of your finances, and people
Hmm.
around you. And of course, आपके घर वालों ने आप पे इतना प्यार, पैसा, वक्त इन्वेस्ट किया होता है. आपको उसकी भी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. एंड
Hmm.
कीपिंग योर पैशन इंटैक्ट एंड वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट भले ही वो एक्टिंग हो पेंटिंग हो म्यूजिक हो सिंगिंग हो कुछ भी हो सकता है कोई भी आर्ट फॉर्म हो सकती है you should always make it a point if you feel at a certain stage of your life यार अभी time हो गया है, and I think I won't leave this, but I need to think about something else also to keep my finances sorted. Because you
Hmm.
cannot just ignore that. आप सूफी बनकर नहीं घूम सकते हो बॉम्बे में. This is
Exactly.
a capitalist industry in the end, where artists work. So you have to keep that in mind. तो उसके हिसाब से you have to be aware, you have to be little practical, keeping your dreams alive, and to keep your dreams alive also you need money. ऐसे ही नहीं आप
And
घूम सकते हो. So you have to have not a plan B, but a plan A plus, which supports your plan A.
now what I've seen that people they wait कि अभी opportunity आ जाएगी, let's just wait. तो ये waiting period में ना they forget that there are other things also and they can try their hands on. वो acting में इतना क्योंकि जुनून होता है, passion होता है, but losing yourself and waiting for the opportunity की जगह I think other way around होना चाहिए. कि अपॉर्चुनिटी तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए. सो आई थिंक दिस सम्स इट अप प्रीटी वेल दैट यू शुड बी थिंकिंग एंड हैविंग रियलिस्टिक गोल्स इन योर
या
लाइफ.
या क्योंकि
सो
जुनून होना जरूरी है, उसके बिना काम ही नहीं हो पाएगा ना. दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन, दिस कैन नॉट वर्क विदाउट पैशन. आप कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से यहाँ पे काम नहीं कर सकते हो कि टुडे आई फील लाइक एक्टिंग, आई डू इट. यू माइट हैव टू वेट फॉर 30 इयर्स, नोबडी नोज. यू
या
आपका एक दिन में भी काम हो सकता है. आप आज बॉम्बे आए हो, कल काम हो गया. योर फर्स्ट फिल्म हिट्स इट बिग, यू स्कोर 200 crores इन योर फर्स्ट फिल्म, और हो सकता
राइट
है आपने 200 फिल्म में की और कोई भी 5 करोड़ से ऊपर ना कमाई है. सो इट कैन बी आइदर वेज. सो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट, एंड अपनी रियलिटी जानते हुए, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज जानते हुए, अपने जुनून को स्पॉन्सर भी करना अपनी जिम्मेदारी बना लेनी चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, स्पॉन्सर
राइट.
योर जुनून.
Also, over these years, what we have observed that audience जो असली टैलेंट है उसे परखने में थोड़ा समय लगा देती है. जैसे कि अगर बात करें हर्षवर्धन राणे, सनम तेरी कसम आई थी 8-9 साल पहले. एंड देन अब जब वापस आई है तो इतना कि ओ माय गॉड हर्षवर्धन राणे दे आर गोइंग क्रेजी ओवर, मतलब कि वो है इंडस्ट्री में बहुत टाइम से हैं. अब जयदीप अहलावत की भी वो इतने सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, तो अब जाके उन्हें उनका ड्यू मिला है. तो आई मीन एक एक्टर के लिए भी क्या क्या ये रोड ब्लॉक्स रहते हैं कि इस पूरी जर्नी में, क्योंकि वेटिंग पीरियड आपको कहीं ना कहीं ओवरथिंक करने पे मजबूर कर सकता है पॉसिबल. सो व्हाट ऑल रोड ब्लॉक्स डू यू आपकी जर्नी में आपने जो फेस करे हैं एंड ओवरकम कैसे किए हैं?
अपना प्रोफेशन ना एकदम रिव्यू ओरिएंटेड है. इट्स ऑल
हम्म.
अबाउट हाउ यू आर रिव्यूड बाय द ऑडियंसेस, and how your film or your show is being received by the audiences.
या.
As simple as that. क्रिकेट का एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, मतलब केकेआर इज माय फेवरेट टीम, तो वही एग्जांपल दिमाग में आ रहा है. लाइक रिंकू सिंह इज सच अ ब्रिलियंट क्रिकेटर, कितना अच्छा खेलता है वो, बट फॉर दैट वन इनिंग्स वेयर ही हिट 5 sixes इन वन ओवर और टीम जीत गई और टीम फाइनल में भी आ गई, तो उस दिन से वो रिंकू सिंह द स्टार बन गया. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट
हम्म.
वन प्रोजेक्ट दैट्स अवेटिंग. ऐसा नहीं था कि उससे पहले वो खेल नहीं रहा था या उसका काम किसी को पसंद नहीं था. तो सिमिलरली जो आपने नाम भी लिए अभी, जयदीप भैया, जयदीप अलावत, हर्षवर्धन. सो I've seen Jaydeep Bhaiya very closely. I've known him for years and years. So I know his journey a bit. तो मुझे पता है उन्होंने कितना वेट किया है. He's done so many good big films and big shows.
यस.
Commando कब आई थी, वसेपुर, राजी, big films. But it took one Patal Lok to change everything.
यस इट डिड.
It's as simple as that कि ठीक है, आप अच्छा अच्छा काम करते चलो, and just keep doing your work. People will respect it. People will respect it for sure. But the masses, as soon as your work reaches the masses, आपकी चीज hit हो जाती है and people watch it for it being a hit, that's when you get your due. क्योंकि
राइट.
ऐसा नहीं था कि आप खराब काम कर रहे हो इसलिए वो चीज नहीं चली. हो सकता है कोई चीज बहुत अच्छी चल जाए जिसमें आपने खराब काम किया हो और आप उससे भी चल जाओ. सो इट
हाँ
कैन बी
ऐसा हो रहा है आजकल तो
ऐसा भी
नेगेटिव
होता है. ऐसा भी
चल रहा
होता
है, मतलब वायरल अगर नेगेटिव रील हो गई है तो वो भी
है.
आप
हाँ.
तब भी हिट हो रहे हो. पब्लिसिटी इज पब्लिसिटी, नेगेटिव है
या
पॉजिटिव है, बट पॉजिटिव ही होनी चाहिए जहां तक
डेफिनेटली.
एक्टिंग की बात आती
So
है.
it's all about being
ऑल्सो
honest to your work and just working hard. And it's the universe's plan. Whenever it has to happen,
यस.
it will happen. Nothing can stop it.
इट्स सो गुड टू नो दैट यू बिलीव इन यूनिवर्स.
I do very strongly.
Or because manifestations and all वो
Everything
super.
works.
So, talking about your physical transformation, we have seen a lot of changes, and we know that you're quite strict with your, fitness and diet. So, we want to know your mantra, and how many hours do you invest in the gym, or how is it like? Your fans really want
So
to know.
right now, also I am all set to go to the gym right now after this interview.
Okay, I can see the get up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I wasn't well for the last 2 days. थोड़ा सा बुखार हो गया था, बारिश और धूप ना गर्मी सर्दी में.
Hmm.
So it's only been 2 days. आज मैं उठा हूँ. Today is the first day where I don't have fever. I'm all set to go to the gym. So it's that strict. Or I won't call it strict. It's that uh, it gives me peace in a way. अगर मैं वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, if I'm not playing a sport or if I'm not working out or doing some kind of physical activity, I cannot be at peace. तो ऐसा मेरा अभी बन गया है. I've been working out since class ninth, eighth.
That's nice.
Yeah, so I don't even remember 20 years, maybe 19, 20 years.
Oh.
So abhi it's I don't work out to build a kind of body or to have a kind of physique. It's more towards psychological to keep me at peace, to keep me moving. It
Hmm.
acts like an anchor in my life. Okay, this is the one thing that hasn't left me since beginning.
Wow.
Whatever phase of life I've been in, downfalls, highs, not okay, okay, injured, whatever. This one aspect has kept me disciplined all my life. तो कहीं नेगेटिविटी की तरफ ध्यान नहीं जाता है. You eat good food, you think good. You eat bad food, you start thinking bad.
And
So
is one last message for your fans and for the people who are watching us right now?
okay, so this one is for everyone in our country. Whatever has happened in the past few days, let's all take it as a lesson to stay united, no matter what. To give in all the positive energy to our people, our armed forces, uh, Air Force, Navy, everybody, and keep that respect intact for our
Hmm.
administration, for our system, and stand united as a country always, and not forget this what has happened. क्योंकि होता क्या है कि जब चीजें ठीक हो जाती हैं हम आपस में भिड़ना शुरू हो जाते हैं.
जी.
तो इसी एनर्जी को इंटैक्ट रखना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट्स व्हेन we'll find the right path towards peace. So India always stands for peace. We all should also stand for peace all the time and be healthy, be positive, be happy, do your work diligently, be a very good citizen, be a very good global citizen. That's when you'll find a good path to your life. So that's it. Be healthy, be happy, and watch Full. It's on Hotstar. It's a very good show. You will be entertained. Time कब निकलेगा पता भी नहीं चलेगा.